down, please.
So the mouse is right, that little black thing, and that's my cat, and I don't know where my other cat's gone. Maybe he's just not in the camera, guys. Yeah, so this is my cat playing. I hope you enjoy this playing whole thing, and yeah, it might be for cats too, but I hope you enjoy it. If you give this video to 200 likes, I will give you an Xbox free. So you can't really see the mouse now. The cat's just turning around. You might not like my joke. Cat's just turning around. Yeah. But the camera's still rolling, so don't worry. Well, my other cat is hiding, and if you saw the mouse, just tell us in the comments below if you saw the mouse. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video once again.